Good day, everyone. My name is Daryl King Ruyul Rifuya. I am a first year Bachelor of Science, Science in Marine Transportation from Section 1A19. I'm happy to be part of this class, and I'm looking forward to meeting new friends, learning new things, and improving my skills as a future seafarer. Why did I choose to take maritime course? I choose to take maritime course because becoming a seafarer has always been one of my dreams. I know that this profession is not easy because it requires discipline, hard work, and responsibility. Pero handa akong harapin ang mga challenge na yon para maabot ang mga goals ko. Gusto ko ring makapag-travel sa iba't ibang bansa at magkaroon ng maraming experience at magkaroon ng stable na career. Most importantly, gusto kong matulungan ang aking pamilya at maibigay sa kanila ang mas magandang buhay bilang suklis sa lahat ng kanilang sakripisyo. How can I show respect to others in this class? Give 3 examples. Number 1, listening carefully whenever my teacher or my classmates are speaking. Number 2, using polite words and treating everyone with kindness. Number 3, respect respecting everyone's opinions, beliefs, and differences. In 5 years, I will be a licensed seafarer working on board a ship and gaining valuable experience in the maritime industry. I also hope to become more responsible, confident, and skilled so I can continue growing in my career and become someone my family can be proud of. The legacy that I want to leave behind is to be remembered as a hardworking, honest, and respectful person. Gusto kong malala ko bilang isang taong hindi sumusuko sa mga pangarap, laging nagsisikap, at handang tumulong sa iba. I hope that my journey will inspire others to keep believing in themselves and never stop working hard to achieve their dreams. Once again, I am Daryl King Royal Refuya. Thank you for listening, and I hope we all have a successful and enjoyable semester. Have a great day, everyone, and God bless to all.